What's up, gang? I hope you're doing well today, guys. Okay, in today's guys, I'm going to withdraw from Econ, guys, from econofficial.org. You guys can see, guys, I just received 10 tickets today, guys. As you can see here, guys, from holding Econs on my Wombat wallet, guys. Okay. As you can see, guys, my monthly average, guys, is 9,947 Ecoins, and my current balance is 161,663 coins, guys. Okay, in total, guys, I have 518.20 dollars, guys, which I can exchange on Profit, guys. Okay, I'm going to withdraw now, guys. Withdraw funds. Okay, as you can see, guys, note you can withdraw minimum of 250 coins and minimum of 300 coins per transaction per week. But let's go up, guys. Okay, as you can see here, guys, you can withdraw 300 ecoins per week and 625 ecoins per month. To withdraw more ecoins per week, maintain an average balance of 10k ecoins, guys. As you can see, my average, guys, is 9,947. Only about, let's say, 55, guys. Let's say about 55 ecoins that left to meet the 10k requirement, guys. And when you scroll down, and here's a limit, guys, withdrawal limits. As you can see, from 1,000 to 5k, and we will be able to withdraw 300 ecoins. From 5k to 10k, 625. 10k to 50k, 2.5. 50 to 1000k, 5,000. As you can see, guys, the list, excuse me, the list goes on and on and on. Okay, let's withdraw, guys, the 300 coins. Okay, request. Okay, your request has been successful. An email has been sent to your email address. Verify your request. Okay, let's do that, guys. Let's verify. Come on, okay. Okay, congratulations, Busamakalo, withdrawal request. Okay, verify. Okay, withdrawal as you see, guys, my withdrawal request verified, guys. Okay, let me refresh the page. Come on. Oh, okay. Now I have to wait for 23 hours, guys, so that my econs will be added to my Suffix wallet, guys. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and guys, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos, guys. I will see you on the next one.